How did that theme song go? Oh yeah. Let's make a dance costume. Welcome back to my channel. I got so much feedback on the last video we did, so I decided to make another costume video. Let's meet the client. This is Hannah Anderson. She's a Dallas Cowboy cheerleader. Now, I don't know if a lot of you know this, but I am a Dallas girl born and raised. I was a junior DCC for years, and I actually wanted to be a Dallas Cowboy cheerleader when I grew up. I just never moved back to Dallas, so that wasn't in the cards for me. But I was super excited when I found out that I had an actual Dallas Cowboy cheerleader asking me to make her costume for finals. So let's get into the details of this order. Hannah was a rookie last season. Being a veteran this year means she won't have to go to prelims and she can skip right on to finals. So that means she only needs a solo costume. She had a few parameters that she wanted to stay within, so let's go ahead and list those out. So everyone knows the Dallas Cowboy cheerleaders. They're known for their great smiles, beautiful bodies, and of course, that iconic two-piece outfit. So for Hannah's costume, she wanted to make sure she stayed within that realm, which means it needs to be a two-piece. Bye-bye mesh covering that midsection. She's also not a fan of high necklines, so she wanted to avoid that. She also has a long torso, so she didn't want a thick piece of elastic in the waistband. So we opted to go for a shorter and thinner elastic. And lastly, she let me know she would be dancing to Pour Some Sugar on Me. Immediately, my brain went to the color of rock and roll, purple. And to play up that rock and roll feeling a little bit more, I wanted to add some black mesh to give it a little bit more edge and some fringe for some movement. All right, so it's time to get started. Are you ready to do this? Let's go. Well, if it looks like I've been crying, you'd be right. I got almost done with this costume last night, and then out of nowhere, the machine does this. Don't know what that means. So now I'm on my way to a sewing center to see if they can get this thing fixed, because I may be at the end of my season, but I still have a whole nother season coming in the fall, and I cannot be without a machine. So I'm either getting this sucker fixed or praying that I don't have to buy a new one, but wish me luck. I feel like an idiot. So like I said, my machine broke last night. I called my mom. I was having a fit, like a full-blown fit. Couldn't sleep. Called my friend this morning, had another fit. Finally got to the shop today for them to tell me that somehow my bobbin casing got flipped around, and that was all that was wrong. Needless to say, I thought I was going to be spending like $500, $600 to service it or on a brand new machine, and here I go. I only spent $60 buying a new plate, a new bobbin casing, and a bunch of needles. I'm over this. I'm going home. Let's finish this sucker. Well, that was dramatic. And with that, we're done. This costume's on its way to Hannah in Dallas, and I'm super excited to see her in it. I've also sent her a couple of goodies inside her bag as well, just to wish her good luck. Unfortunately, I won't be making any more costumes till July, but I think I might keep this going in the fall next year. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you're informed each time I post a video. But for right now, I need a vacation. So my next couple of videos are gonna be about my upcoming trip to Australia. So keep your eyes open for those as well. All right guys, comment below your favorite part of this video. Make sure you like and share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Bye.